Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to embed your Google Sheet in your WordPress site. So for this, what you need to do is simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use, and after that it will simply take you to the browser. Then simply put in www.wordpress.com in the top search bar, and then it will simply take you to the WordPress login page. And from there, what you need to do is just simply put in your login credentials there, and after that it will simply take you to the WordPress dashboard. From here, what you need to do is just simply click on the edit site option here in the right hand side quick link section, and after that it will simply take you to the site that you are currently editing. So let's say I'd like to add a Google Sheet option from here. So you have to just simply choose a text. So let's say I'd like to go for the click, and after that you have to just simply click on the link option here in the below, and then you have to just simply put in your URL here, and after that you have to just simply click on enter. And that's how you can just easily embed Google Sheets in your WordPress file. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.